Hey there again. Today, we're tackling the elephant in the room, risk. Understanding risk is vital for any investor, especially in the high-stakes world of hedge funds. Let's break it down. Market risk, or systematic risk, is the danger of losses due to factors that affect the overall performance of the financial markets. It's about the market going up or down, influenced by economic, geopolitical, or natural events. Credit risk involves the possibility that a bond issuer or a counterparty in a financial transaction might default on their obligations. This is a primary concern when investing in debt securities or using leverage. Liquidity risk is the risk that an asset cannot be bought or sold quickly enough in the market to prevent a loss or make the required profit. In volatile times, even normally liquid assets can become hard to trade. Operational risk arises from internal issues like system failures, fraud, or mismanagement within the hedge fund itself. It's about the execution side of things going wrong, not the market. Now, let's talk about the fundamental investing principle, risk versus reward. Higher potential rewards generally come with higher risks. Hedge funds typically chase higher returns, which means they are often taking on more risk than traditional investments. But it's not all about taking risks. Hedge funds use various strategies to manage these risks. Diversification, hedging through derivatives, and sophisticated risk models are tools in their arsenal to mitigate potential losses. Risk perception varies. What might be a risk for one investor could be an opportunity for another. Your risk tolerance should align with your investment goals, time horizon, and personal financial situation. Understanding and managing risk is key in investing, especially with hedge funds. They aim to navigate these waters skillfully, seeking rewards while trying to keep risks in check. Remember, risk isn't something to fear but to understand and manage. Join us next time to see what the day-to-day operations of a hedge fund look like.